welcome to Enterprise Risk Management, Legal Leadership in Identifying, Prioritizing, and Mitigating Today's Most Pressing Threats. I'm Jennifer Nelson Flynn, and I'm a partner at Dorf Nelson Zauderer LLP. We have offices in New York, New Jersey, California, and soon in Florida. I also head the Fractional General Counsel Practice Group. As a former in-house counsel, including positions in various companies such as General Counsel, Deputy General Counsel, Chief Privacy Officer, and Corporate Board Secretary, I bring over 20 years of corporate generalist experience. My Fractional General Counsel Practice Group offers in-house general counsel services to companies that either do not have their own general counsel or that need some additional legal services to supplement their existing legal department. And one of the areas that I typically help with is enterprise risk management, or ERM. I partner with organizations to enhance their risk management strategies effectively while being cost efficient. And now for the disclaimer that you've all been waiting for. Before we dive in, I want to note to you that the information shared in today's presentation is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. I'm sure you've heard that disclaimer before. So I'll be drawing from my experience as in-house counsel and in enterprise risk management, but every organization faces its own unique challenges and legal risks. If you're looking for tailored support in building or enhancing your enterprise risk strategy, I offer fractional general counsel services where I will work closely with your leadership team to identify, manage, and ultimately mitigate your company's legal risks proactively and strategically. So if you're interested in learning more or connecting after this session, please feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the materials provided, and I'd be happy to speak further. As general counsels, chief legal officers, and heads of legal departments, the burden of anticipating and advising on enterprise-wide risks increasingly falls on your shoulders. Why? Because the legal function has visibility across the organization, from litigation management and oversight to regulatory compliance.